Hi, today we're going to do a brief setup guide on the HL15 KVM video extender. Not only does this thing do infrared, not only does it extend the HDMI, not only does it do the USB for all of the KVM functionality, but you can actually get it to power on and off your computer. So you don't have to leave it running all the time and just wake on use. You can actually power it on and off from the extender right here. Let's see how to set that up. Oh my goodness. So the kit comes with a power standoff cable to hook the power button on your computer into the extender. There's two sides of the cable. The dual-headed side goes inside your case. The single-headed side plugs into the extender. There's just a port right here that's labeled power. Plug that right in. And that's all you have to do on that side. On the inside of the case, all you have to do is locate the power switch for your case on the motherboard and unplug that. If you're not sure which one it is, be sure you look it up in your motherboard's manual first. It's best not to go unplugging things willy-nilly. Replace that with the female plug from the extender. That'll let the extender kit turn your computer on and off. Then use the male side to plug back into your existing power switch. That'll let you continue to turn it on or off with the button directly on your computer's case. All right, so we've got everything set up on the other side here. Let's switch on our extender here. One thing to note, the switch on the unit powers on the actual extender itself, and this button should, check that out. So it powers on the computer just like the button on the case. We've got full KVM control. We'll get video as soon as we're all booted up over here. So yeah, man, it's awesome. It's easy to set up. We've got full USB keyboard and mouse KVM control. We've got video. If we wanted to, we could have infrared. We're online, man. I don't know Hector's password, but we can kind of do a little bit of chicken scratch. Unit works great. It's easy to set up. HD-Link HL15. Give us a call if you have any questions or click on the link below for more information.